Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to unsend your message on Messenger. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to your Messenger application. Open the chat of the person whom you'd like to text. I'm going to go ahead and text this. Now if I want to delete this text, I'm going to long press on this text and tap on the more icon, which is the three-dotted icon that appears on the rightmost corner. You'll be able to see the remove option, tap on it and tap on unsend. When you remove a message, there's two types of message removals, either for yourself or for everyone in the chat. So if you want to remove the message for everyone, go ahead and tap on unsend. Otherwise, go ahead and tap on remove for you. And after you've done that, your message should be unsent from the chat, and this is how you can unsend a chat in Messenger. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.